I want to be pregnant.
Charles Cheney. CJ wants to be a Waffle House worker.
Oh my God.
Next up, Isaac C. When Isaac grows up, he wants to work at McDonald's.
Sammy Boyer just wants to do what my mom says.
Cadence wants to be a gas station worker.